guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sereni here with another video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me on all socials at hey Siri _ on Twitter. No, we're not in the bag.
Could you try again?
No, we're not in the bagalog talking, so let's get into this video. Guys, so in this video I am starting off with my weekend vlog, and it's a little girl's trip with me and my best friend, you know, Sarah over there. Say hi.
Hi everybody.
Okay, so guys, we're in this Airbnb and it is super nice. I don't know if I'm allowed to show you guys, but nice bad, like you give me rich people vibes. You give me vibes. That's all I'm saying. But this weekend we have a lot going on and we have a lot planned. We just plan to have a lot of fun and yeah, all of that. Hold on, Nashima, wait for me. Huh? May I come to? Okay, so this is the kitchen area. Really nice. Guys, my first place supposed to look something like this. I'm not lying, I'm manifesting in my life. Like, it is so nice. Yeah, I'm not used to. Only again says I'm not used to. But yeah. Hold on, follow me downstairs. Echo, what doing? So, guys, with this place, it's like we have the two lower floors and the two upper floors is the owners. But he's super nice. Super nice. So, let's see. Like a lot of artwork. Beautiful. It's like the modern day type of house. Like, we have a buzz. Outer breath. And this is our bathroom. Yeah. How my look? Tell me, guys. How my look? Top truth. I'm very unfit. Me need to work out. But yeah. Anyways, guys, when we're ready and we're going out, I'll come back with you. I think we're going bowling tonight. So anyways, I think we're going bowling tonight. So when we get dressed and we're up another book, we get back to you. So it is day 2 of, I guess you could call it the late weekend, and what we had planned for today was to actually wake up, exercise, and Nashima wanted to cook steamed fish for breakfast, so we were supposed to do that, and then afterwards we bathe and go to the beach and thing. But last night we came home at around 2 or 1:32, I think, and we did not go to bed until like around 5-6. So Nashima, I think, is still sleeping right now. I woke up like maybe 30 minutes ago, and I said, all right, let me just set out my clothes, which are right there, and yeah, and I spread up the bed and, you know, tidy up, just get myself awake for the day, because I never come here for sleep. So and you know, yeah, that's that on that. Right now I'm going to go have a shower and brush my teeth and all them good things there, and I'm going to see if I can wake up Nashima. If she don't wake up, I'm gonna go downstairs. We have some leftovers. I'll just heat that up and have a good day, you know. My belly will have a good day, right? So, oh, let me show you guys what I think I want to wear to the beach, and let me tell me what you guys think. I'll probably take some pictures and you guys probably see it already, but I bought these swimsuits from Icon Swim and they were just like $10 and they look really nice. So I'm like kind of picky or indecisive between the both. Which one should I choose or whatever? So let me show you guys. Come on. Alright guys, so it is 12:30 and Nashima is just eating, and she said she wanted to leave at 12:30.
I certainly fall.
My guys, that's, you know how glad I am that I got footage. I woke up at around what? I don't know, ask it more serious, you know. Anyways guys, I woke up at 9 o'clock, and guess what time Nashima wake up? Probably like an hour ago.
I went to bed at 7 o'clock.
We went to bed the same time. I think I even went to bed later than her, because I went in her room and then I went in my room after. So please say something.
I'm gonna talk to you.
I'm still hungry. Nashima, say hi to my vlog.
Yeah, because I eat certain.
Yeah, because you're late. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Anyways, guys, when she decides to finish eat and let us leave, I will. So she said, I will get back with you, okay? So see you guys soon. Hopefully. That's the butterfly shrimp. Oh my god, it was so good. I think we should get some to look at the beach. You think so? Or we order something different?
Food there.
Food there at the beach. Alright. Anyways, guys, see you soon. Guess what? Nashima let us finally leave out. We're all late because of her. Just saying. All her fault. Oh my god. Guys, I love you anyway. You understand? You just... That's how she stay awake. Nashima! You know them Butu people there? Nashima!
People still say Butu?
So why you try call me Butu? Call me say Butu? Anyways, guys, we are finally leaving to go to the beach, but we are first stopping off to get some gas. Okay? I'm trying my best to do better at this vlogging thing today. Yesterday, guys, we were supposed to go bowling. Nashima made us not go bowling.
First of all, she wanted to go bowling, so she was supposed to go.
Wait. You see the thing? You see, when Nashima came to me, I had a whole schedule. Yes, it never fall through. But I had a whole schedule. Shut up. Shut up.
I didn't want to plan the weekend because I wanted it to flow. Like, we're just.
But you should at least have an idea where we are going and what time. At least. So today, she has to make it up to me by letting us go to bowling. Bowling.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
So we're going dinner. We're going beach, dinner, and bowling today. Okay?
Hold up.
Yep. So we're not in the late thing, we're not in the play thing. Tell her guys, comment down below and say Nashima, she not in the play thing. Period. See she blind? Baby, when the starlight lights start to fade, fire up your light. Why am I even friends with her? You know, she doesn't compliment me. She don't like give me love.
Look good. That's enough. No?
compliment me on something other than my physical feature. You know? Gotcha. It is the back lane.
Well, somebody there behind me.
Baby, when the bright lights start to play. Guys, I was just watching like an Instagram video. I don't know if you see the Shensia thing. So somebody made a video, so that's why I keep it's stuck in my brain now. So I keep on singing the song.
Where the hell this GPS I carry on? Because one gas station is supposed to be so far.
We got brought down on the side of the road because when Ashima got last night, she never did want to get gas. Guys, let me tell you something. Yesterday, let me tell you what we did. We got dressed with nowhere to go. She let me come here hungry. And she never feed me until around 11, 12. Around 12.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she not make me get food, right? And on top of that, afterwards, you know, I went into the studio, I made some music. I'm joking. I didn't make any music. But, you know, I vibed with some real upcoming artists. I'll put their link down below. Yeah. Real artists, like them song bad. No, I'm not even capping, guys. Facts. Like, me like his song. Me no remember it, but me like it. Just saying.
Did it too drunk for you?
I wasn't drunk. I don't drink. I really don't drink. Why are you lying to these people? I don't drink. It's big facts. I don't drink. I can't handle liquor, so I don't take it, right? Anyways, so we did that, and then we left studio around. What time we leave? Around 2?
3 something.
3 something. See that? Around 3 something, and then we bed about like 7, and that was our night. Like, you know, it was very nice though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably put some clips in this video where me and she would have vibe to some tune, you know?
Huh?
Would have vibe to some tune.
Which tune?
Tune.
Oh, my gas station.
This gas station definitely not have.
Broke down.
Hear how she ever try to blame me about this though. I'm just so weird.
I went in there. Weird. I mean, if you come out and pump me one gas.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to do that.
You don't know if you pump it one gas?
No, in a Jersey, they pump gas.
You want me to pump it for you?
Yeah.
But you have to go
back. Come back up. Seriously, make sure you edit out all of
Oh
this.
my gosh. Just know that we did this happened to him more than one time. Wow. She bust a U-turn when she never did bust a U-turn. Bad girl till you kill we off. Thanks. I think I'm gonna pump gas for the first time for Nashima. It's my first time doing it, but I think I can figure it out. Anyways, I guess we'll get back to you guys when we're at beach. If we reach our beach. Because she had take a long time. So if we reach the beach. Peace out, guys. See you soon. So we're finally here. Guys, I am not going into this water at all. This is not a beach. I don't know what this is. Water is brown. It looks like exactly. It's not beach. It's so cold. I came to take pictures. No sun is out. Like, it's just a feel. Nashima, your face. Oh my gosh, guys. Nashima cannot hide her facial expression. She cannot hide it. She shows it. Or she can't hide how she feeling. Or what she thinks.
It takes 248 years to orbit the sun once.
Pluto?
Yes, and we take 365 days. Fall is in the air.
Make me scared.
Oh, seriously, bring me to my beach during fall season.
You want to go on the roller coaster then?
I'm looking at you. Who you chat?
You scared of roller coaster?
Serani.
Alright guys, I'm going to see if I can
take some pictures.
Get rid of my insecurities and take some pictures. So I'll talk to you soon. Vlog it. I look cute, right? I feel like I look cute. But anyways, talk to you guys later. Guys, we just had a full body massage. I don't know if it was Nashima's first time, but it was my first time
But it was good.
getting a full body massage, and it was really, really, really good. Like, the world just seemed brighter to me. And I realized I have to take care of myself. You know? How was it, Nashima? Butcher?
Is that good?
I'm dead. But overall,
Romans may get 2 full body massages before, but that one, I think they did aromatherapy because I keep smelling essential oils. It's not smelling myself right now.
yeah. But overall, today was a great day. Look cute.
Except the beach dusty.
Yeah, except for the beach. But it was a good day. Can't complain. Oh, I think so. A couple cussing right now, guys. See? We're getting everything in this vlog. We're getting okay.
No, don't get in it.
Layato, come outside road. Then grab up each other. I love like this. If someone wants somebody grab me up, I joke. I'm too young for that. I wasn't there to cuss. Yeah, and the man grab him. Yeah. Alright, so we made it in time. You know how much time we extend? We extend our parking over 40 minutes. A woman I try leave the man, and a man a hold on pani woman. Me no want this, so me I try get the phone, guys. Me love a little mix up. Hold on, me soon come, guys. Me go try get the phone up. Alright, sis. Guys, hold on. Let me try get the phone. See you woman there. And she a walk in front of the man. And the man a run down a woman. So that's what's going on. What you thinking, me? Wait, tell me again. Tell me again, no? Tell me again.
She had a miscarriage because she was drinking, but she had to tell people otherwise.
Guys, me never hear all of that. Me just see my two people couple. That's all me say. And Ashima hear all that? Okay. So we're heading home now.
We need spring water. We need water.
Yeah.
Water in a soul.
So it's 2 times since this weekend I drink some water. And it was last night and this morning. No, yesterday evening actually, and this morning. So we need to get some. You look very pretty. I took some very nice pictures of Nashima, guys. And she took some nice pictures of me, but me just never did make a picture of them. But she did a great job. She got on the floor. You should have seen her in her sun. Guys, she stoop down and go down on the floor, on her belly, on her yikes up, and she take picture of me. I like get your friend like mine, and that's just that.
Where are we going again? Oh, home.
So we're heading home now. We're gonna get ready. We don't know what we're doing. We're trying to look for something to do, but we don't know what we're doing, and that's just that on that. Then after we get home, we're gonna get dinner. Oh no, we're getting dinner first at this cool place that she picked out. Again, props to my girl. Like, she made this weekend fun. I don't even want to leave. I don't want the weekend to end. I wish the week was the weekend and the weekend was the week. Okay? Yeah. But that's just on that. We're gonna.
I have class on Monday. I need to print out some stuff to read before lab online lab.
One bag of sun in my eye. That's all I'm saying.
Do you hear some music? Cause
Nashima, how's the food? Perfect. Guys, I don't know. Like, probably, I don't want to use a flash. It's really good. I got some cheesy fries and a chicken teriyaki bowl, right? And it's really, 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 really good. Nashima brought me to this outdoor rooftop kind of picnic kind of settings, and yeah, so we're gonna eat now. Oh, look, that's our view, and you have a big screen like beyond this tent, and there. Good morning, guys. It's day 3 of the lit weekend, and it's the last day. I woke up this morning, I spread the bed and straightened up the room and tried to leave it as perfect as I could. And I also packed my bags. That's my dress I'm gonna wear to Nashima's nephew's christening. And after the christening, I think I'm gonna go home. That's just gonna be it for the weekend. I'm kind of sad, I had a lot of fun thanks to Nashima and her friends and her family, actually. So you probably be seeing me here more often. So that's just that on that. Right now I'm going to cuddle with my best friend. We have a couple more hours. So like when I done know what I go cuddle with my best friend, and we're gonna just, chill. But let me bring it over to Nash. I'm vlogging. Say hi to my vlog. I told him that I'm coming to cuddle with you. See, Ma? She's shy. Say hi to my vlog.
hi vlog.
Wait. I will put some lights.
No. Your face dirty.
Girl, yes, if my face remote dirty, every part of me dirty. I told them it's our last day of the lit weekend. Yeah, I'm sad. I know she's tearing up inside. Like, oh, we got friendship bracelets. Where's yours?
You're not make it drop off of my hand.
Anyways, we have friendship bracelets. She has the blue and the... Yeah, go make it copyright. Thanks. She's not even paying me no mind.
I'm tired.
But anyways, we're gonna cuddle.
No, we're not.
And probably... Can we have devotion?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna have some devotion to end this weekend. So we'll see you guys soon. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, so we're leaving the Airbnb now, and it was really amazing. We pack up everything and we're heading out now. Nashima, wait for me. Yeah, I'ma realize it. I'm strength. I'm gonna use half of them. Bye. Should I wear my flat shoes on? Oh well. I'll get back with you. I don't want to trip.
Commit yourselves to being a continual role in the life of this child. And so it's something to take very serious and something to reverence. So we're going to pray over the child today. I'm going to ask any family in our church family, if you would stretch your hands this way.
We start to get roadside coconut. Real good.
Thank you.
What's up, Papa? Hola, Papa.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So our weekend is finished. How was your weekend? Mine was good. I don't care about what she wants to say. I had a good weekend, a tiring weekend.
Sure, anybody
And no,
night.
that's a lie. And now for the week to start. So that's just it for the vlog. She's going to drop me off. And yeah. Next month again till we see each other, right?
Next month.
Or next few months. Or next year. Till we see each other again. Okay, it's fine. I don't want to see you either. But that's it. Thank you guys for coming this far throughout the vlog. My first ever vlog. I hope to see you guys next weekend again in my next video.
Make sure you crop out that.
Couple of what?
I'm gonna come close to the camera.
No, because it's a vlog. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Bye.